I'm going to try not to ramble on too long because I don't have too much to say, and this is a time lapse, so the majority of the video will be silent, but I did want to add some quick context as to what you're seeing here. The first clip is a full 24 hours starting at 1 a.m. on Tuesday, September 10th, 2024, looking out at the bridge fire as it explodes to 10x its starting size over the course of one day. It starts at 1 a.m. since I have a setup to take time lapses that splits the days into folders, and it ignores daylight savings, so it's off by an hour in case you're curious why it started at an odd time. The view is of Los Angeles as seen from the Baldwin Hills area, and for the majority of the day all you'll see is smoke, although at the end of the day you do get a good view of the mountains on fire. At around 1 minute and 4 seconds in, you'll also see a lot of pyrocumulus clouds forming as the fire really spreads fast right after 11:30 a.m. Pacific time. All of the clips after the first are of the exact same footage, but they're zoomed in at 2 or 4 times so you can get a closer look in case you don't happen to be viewing this on an 8K display, which I also am not. But the resolution exists in the footage, so I figured I might as well. This video will also sort of serve as a test render settings for me if we're uploading 8K HDR 60 FPS content. So if it doesn't end up playing smooth on YouTube because of my settings, I may re-upload it. If this video does well, I may also do a follow-up time-lapse of the city from when the bridge fire started at 2:12 Sunday until it eventually is put out, and an overlay a variety of real-time graphics of statistics based on the data published about the fire once it is readily available. So if that does interest you and you do want to see something like that, definitely let me know.